So many people believe that they cannot use their MT4 mobile app to do the analysis, and they have the excuse of not being able to draw lines on their MT4. So in this video, I will be showing you how to do your analysis on your MT4 mobile app. So the first thing I'll be doing is to clear out all these lines that I have drawn on the chart already. And if you want to select a tool, you click this shapes icon here, and you see a list of objects. Sorry, let me go back. You see a list of previously used objects by me. So what you're supposed to click is add object, and if you have objects that you have previously used, this is where you would find them, just right below this add object. So click on add object, and if you want to draw lines, this is a section for lines. If you want to draw channels, this is a section for channels. If you want to use the Fibonacci tool, there are different Fibonacci tools you can use under this add object section. And if you want to draw shapes, of course, here are different shapes. So let me pick the rectangle first. So let us draw a support area using this rectangle. So this is a reasonable support area. So the next object I'm going to be picking is a line object. This is a horizontal line, so we can use this to draw maybe a resistance. So let's put it here as a resistance. So let's add more of that in our chart as resistance. A lot of resistance. By the way, this is on a weekly time frame, so we can just change the time frame to about maybe 4-hour time frame to draw more lines. So if you want to draw resistance lines and support lines, you can just do that on your MT4. So as you can see, the price has obviously broken these resistance levels here. So there are different things that we can expect from this price movement. It is either that the price will continue to move up. So let's get our tool and look for this arrow line. It's either the price continues to move up, or miraculously something happens and the price will begin to trend downwards. And if it trends downward, we should be looking forward to this support area as an area where we should be placing our next trade. Although you can do further analysis, you can do in-depth analysis and look at your 1 minute time frame or your 5 minute time frame to see possible entries in case you want to maybe scalp the markets. For instance, if you wanted to scalp this market, you could have used maybe a trend line to scalp this market. Just draw it like this, and when the price hits the trend line, you place your sell downwards, and when it hits the lower trend line, you place your buy, and you keep going like that. Let's draw the lower trend line so you see what I'm talking about better. So if you want to scalp this pair, you wait for the price to bounce on this resistance trend line, and when it bounces and goes down, you buy. When it bounces here, you sell. When it bounces here, you buy, you sell, you buy, you sell, you buy, continuously like that. And you have to note that trend lines will always expire. So there will be time where your trend line is going to expire and it's going to get broken. So you should just get ready to watch out for such thing to happen. So but while your trend channel is still active, you can just get the most out of it. So this is a 1 minute time frame, and this is how to analyze on a 1 minute time frame and make some quick cash. By the way, on this 1 minute time frame, this trend channel is nothing more than 8 pips. So if you're going to be scalping, you're going to be scalping nothing more than 8 pips from this trend line movement, which is fair enough if you are going to be using really large lot sizes. So as you can see, I've been removing objects from the screen. If you want to delete, all you just have to do is to tap on the object that you've already added, and you see these 3 dotted points on the line that you have drawn. So when you have tapped it, the next thing is to hold on to your screen. For iPhone users, you should hold on to your screen and click on delete to remove it. And if you want to accurately draw your line, you see this box on the top left corner. You should be watching it closely. The reason why you should watch it is because your thumb might be blocking where you want to place your line. So that mirror tool, which is on the top left corner, is supposed to be used to look at what you are doing properly, so you can draw the lines perfectly well. As you can see, this has already broken the trend line, and it has retraced and it has bounced on this trend line, and the prediction is that it is going to continue moving up. So you can place a buy trade on this. Let's use this. You can place a buy trade on this. Our prediction is that it's going to move up, and most likely it is going to most likely take profit around this region, which is 1.7340. So if you learned something new from this video, please hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.